Hi there and welcome. Today we're exploring the YumCraft Crystal Clear Epoxy Resin Kit that includes 36 ounces of resin and 36 ounces of hardener. This kit comes with everything you need like measuring cups, gloves, and wooden sticks, perfect for beginners. Its upgraded formula offers a smooth, bubble-free finish with a crystal clear interior and lasting high gloss. The resin is non-toxic and odorless, mixed easily in a 1:1 ratio, and cures in 8 to 24 hours. Use it for jewelry, coasters, tabletops, molds, and many creative DIY projects. Enjoy a fun, safe, and rewarding crafting experience with this all-in-one epoxy resin kit. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.